Hey guys, it's Donald here. Welcome to my channel. A few weeks ago, I had an opportunity to set up one of the Accent Decor Showrooms in the Dallas Market Center for the Home and Gift Show. If you are not familiar with the Dallas Home and Gift Shows, let me explain to you. Every year in January and June, Dallas Market will have a home decor show. Thousands of companies will set up their showroom waiting for the buyers from all over the world to shop with them. Luckily, past January and June, I and my team have the opportunity to set up one of the trend-setting company in the floral industry, Accent Decor Showroom. If you want to know more about this company, I will put the link on the description so you can check them out. They have a lot of cool products, from indoor to outdoor containers, candle holder, event pieces, and furniture. If you are in the floral industry, I'm sure you know their name. In this video, we want to share with you how we set up the showroom. It is a lot of hard work, but it's worth it. The result of the showroom is just phenomenal. In here, I want to thank you, my team. Thank you for all your hard work. Also, a special thank you for Accent Decor Visual Merchandise team. They put the whole showroom together. They did an awesome job. I and my team just put the icing on top of the cake. Okay, without any further delay, let's jump onto the showroom.